Isang mabiyaya at masaganang araw po sa atin lahat. Welcome back po dito sa ating YouTube channel, Tagapanood TV. Barbie Forteza in a relationship na. Si David Licauco ba ito? Yung ating pag-uusapan, bibigyan ng comment, reaction, opinion sa araw na ito. At ang video na yan ay galing po sa channel ni Ama Entertainment. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, nais ko lang po kayong imbitahan, lalong-lalo na po sa mga bagong napadaan lang po dito sa ating channel, na mag-subscribe po at i-hit ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video na ilalabas natin. Isang like, share, and subscribe mga tagapanood. Sobrang laking bagay po niyan sa ating channel. Kaya naman huwag na natin patagalin to. Simulan na po natin ang ating reaction video sa araw na to mga tagapanood. Let's do this!
Barbie Forteza confirms she's in a relationship. David Licauco just waiting to go public? Hold on to your seats, mga kapuso, because this time it's no longer just hints, glances, or blind items. Barbie Forteza has finally confirmed that she's in a relationship. And fans can't stop guessing. Is it who we think it is? Is this finally the truth behind the undeniable chemistry between Barbie and David Licauco, aka the unbeatable love team, BARDA? Let's dive right into the juicy details. In a recent exclusive interview, Barbie Forteza didn't hold back when asked about her current love life. And guess what? She admitted that yes, she is in a relationship. That's right, folks. The Maria Clara at Ibarra star, known for being private and low-key, is finally opening up. Barbie: I'm happy. I can say I'm in a relationship now, but I still want to keep some things private. Oh, Barbie, that some things is driving fans crazy. Netizens immediately went into detective mode, and all eyes are now on one person, David Licauco. David, who has been Barbie's leading man in multiple projects and the other half of the trending BARDA tandem, has yet to officially confirm anything, but his actions lately, they're doing all the talking. David during taping: I admire Barbie not just as an actress, but as a person. David during a fan event: he's one of the closest people in my life right now. Netizens notice that David has been extra sweet lately, even commenting heart emojis on Barbie's posts and sending surprise food and gifts to her tapings. Halatang halata, he's just waiting for the right moment to make things public, don't you think? As soon as Barbie dropped the bombshell, hashtag BARDA confirmed started trending on X, formerly Twitter. Fans are over the moon. Barbie finally said she's in a relationship. Alam na, E.T. David, what are you waiting for? Go public now, please. My BARDA heart is crying. It's happening. From fan arts to TikTok tributes, the internet is exploding with love and excitement. Everyone's just waiting for David to finally say the words we've all been dying to hear. Yes, Barbie is the one. Both stars are booked and busy with their careers, but the BARDA fire is only burning stronger. Sources close to the couple say they're incredibly supportive of each other and even spend off-cam time together whenever they can. And fans are wondering, will David finally take the leap and make the relationship Instagram official? Or better yet, could an on-screen to off-screen wedding be in their distant future? Okay, we might be getting ahead of ourselves, but hey, a fan can dream. One thing's for sure, BARDA Nation, this is your season. The confirmation may be subtle, but the love is loud and clear. Let's wait and see how David responds, or reveals. Will he go public next week, tomorrow, or maybe right now? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more BARDA updates. Comment below, do you think David will confirm their relationship soon, or is he planning a grand reveal? This is BARDA Lovers, your daily dose of showbiz tea and kilig overload. Until next time, mga kapuso.
Tingin ko dito mga tagapanood, yung tinutukoy nito ni Ama Entertainment na sinabi na ni Barbie na in relationship siya. Yung interview niya to minsan 'di ba? Napanood ko 'yun about sa plano niya sa Valentine's nga kung sino yung ka-date. Tapos sinabi niya in relationship siya. Yung relasyon pala siguro ito doon sa libro. Yung sa author ng librong paborito niya, parang book relationship. Diba, marami nang gumagawa ng gayon at least may relasyon siya doon sa libro na binabasa niya. Parang ganito ata yun, mga tagapanood, kasi kung relasyon naman about kay David Licauco, parang hindi pa ata nagpapakita na mayroon na silang relasyon. Although marami ang umaasa, although marami ang hoping na sana umamin na mayroon ng relasyon si Barbie at si David Licauco, pero wala pa talagang confirmation patungkol dun, mga tagapanood eh. Pero ang napanood ko lang minsan sa isang interview ni Barbie Fortesa, yun nga, sinabi niya, in relationship nga daw siya doon sa libro na binabasa niya. Yun lang po. Pero pagdating po sa totoong tao, well, marami nga nagsasabi nga si David nga daw at iba naman sinasabi baka daw si Alden Richard. Pero sa tingin ko para sa sarili kong opinion, mas malapit sa katotohanan na magkaroon ng relasyon si Barbie at David. Kasi ano yan sila parang close sila sa isa't isa. At meron pa akong napanood na isang clip minsan na sinasabi nga na gusto ng pamilya ni Barbie, ganoon din kay David, na silang dalawa, kumbaga boto sila sa isa't isa. Yun po yung ano ko lang, mga tagapanood. Pero kung may iba pa kayong alam na balita about dito ka na Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco na magkukonfirma na in relationship na itong dalawa na ito, pakikomento naman sa ating comment section, mga tagapanood, para matulungan nyo rin ako at yung mga iba nating manonood dito sa ating channel. Hindi po ba? Parang ano lang tayo, palitan lang tayo ng impormasyon patungkol sa balitang ito na Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco, kasi alam ko mainit pa rin ng love team nitong dalawa na to at marami pa rin talaga akong nababasa na mga komentong solid sila sa Barda panatag sila at talagang waiting sila na muling makita yung kanilang idolo na magkasama ulit sa isang serye o maging sa movie man, di ba? Maski ako parang hoping din. Tinitingnan ko rin kasi minsan napanood ko sila na magka-love team sila dun sa yung last na nila sa kay Dennis Trillo at nitong si Barbie Fortesa, di ba? Parang hapon dun si David Licauco at love team sila no ni Barbie. Parang talaga yung swak yung nila, chemistry nila sa isa't isa. At masasabi kong kahit siguro hindi simpleng love team, kahit siguro in relationship, yung magjowa sila, talagang swak na swak sila, sobrang bagay po sila, mga tagapanood. Yun po yung nakikita ko, yun po yung feeling ko. At sana nga, hoping din na sana nga sila talagang dalawa. Sila po mga tagapanood, ito ay comment at opinion lamang, wala pong personalan. Paalam po at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.